Hi guys, welcome to another video blog. It's been a while since I last posted a video blog. I hope everyone missed us. I definitely missed you guys. As a matter of fact, last time I had a video blog, I think it was pretty much still the winter time. Now we're in the middle of June. So welcome back. Today I'm here to talk about immigration court. In particular, immigration in court in New York City. How do you get there? What do you do once you're there? How do you know if you're there? Well, first of all, you know if you're there if you're sitting in front of an immigration judge. But procedurally, as far as documents are concerned, if you receive something in the mail that's called a notice to appear, that is usually when immigration court proceedings are commenced. That's when immigration court begins. So what do you do when you get those papers? Well, first thing you should do is run very quick. I'm kidding. Don't run. Get yourself ready. You're going to be in front of an immigration judge, and you're going to have to put your best foot forward. Can you do that by yourself? It really depends on everyone's particular case. In my opinion, immigration court is complicated enough that you know, some attorneys could even use some guidance on how to practice in front of an immigration judge. But you know, for you to try to undertake that representation by yourself, may be a bit too difficult. There's a lot of procedural, a lot of law-related issues that you should be familiar with. Once you do have an attorney, okay, you have to kind of think about how you got there. You know, you could have gotten there one of several ways. Maybe you had a marriage case that was denied and you were served with a notice to appear. It's possible that you filed an asylum application and the asylum office referred your case to the immigration court. Or you could have overstayed your visa and immigration, DHS could have arrested you and served you with a notice to appear. So there are several different ways. What you need to be cognizant of is the fact that once you're there, this is really the time that you have to put your best leg forward. You have to be ready to proceed with your case. You have to have somebody on your corner that's going to fight for your rights, have to use every legal avenue that's available to apply for different types of applications. If you may perhaps want to renew a green card application, perhaps you want to continue your asylum application in front of the immigration judge. Or it's possible that you're about to get married now, you weren't married before, or you may have been married to someone else and the marriage didn't work out, now you're about to be married to someone else. Whatever the case may be, you really need somebody to argue your case in front of the immigration judge. And that doesn't mean that you could just sit back and let your attorney do all the work for you. It doesn't really work that way. We need the help of our clients. You know, this is kind of an intertwined relationship. We need to get to know one another on a very personal level. I myself need to know every aspect of your life. I need to know how you conduct yourself, what you've been doing, what type of work, what family members are here, what would happen to you if you go back to your country, how long have you been in the United States, have you adjusted to this way of life, maybe you've had children born in the United States, or maybe you've been here since you're 7 years old and you didn't come here under any decision that you played any part of. Maybe your parents dragged you here when you're 7 years old, and guess what? Now after spending your elementary school education here, junior high school, and perhaps even college, you're faced with deportation. Doesn't make any sense. Unfortunately, the law is sometimes very cruel. So in that sense, you really need an attorney to advocate on your behalf. And you should choose that attorney wisely. You should do your independent research. Money should never be a factor. This is not the time to go shopping for the cheapest attorney. Very bad mistake, I assure you. You will get what you pay for. And that's not to say that attorneys that don't charge that much will represent you less effectively. That's not what I'm saying at all. What I'm saying is there are many factors that you should consider when deciding which attorney to choose. Price should never be the only factor, whether it's high or low, whatever the case may be. You know, as with anything else, you should get second opinions. You should seek a few attorneys and see who you feel most comfortable with. At that point, you know you're comfortable with a person. You know that person will appear on your behalf. You know that person will advocate on your behalf. And if all goes well, hopefully you'll be able to remain in the United States and be on the road to perhaps getting a green card and be fortunate enough down the road to earn a right to U.S. citizenship. Thank you again for listening to me. I appreciate it. Hopefully I will see you guys soon again. Thank you and have a pleasant day.